You can count on continues with Glenn Marini's Sports Report.
From Bishop Dwenger to Notre Dame and now to the Cincinnati Bengals. Tyler Eifert and John Goodman have spent a lot of time together on the football field. And with rookie camp opening today, they began a new chapter in both their friendship and their football careers. Joe Whalen was in the Queen City and has more on the Dwenger duo.
If there's one word that Bengals front office members consistently use to describe Tyler Eifert, it's flexible. The former Notre Dame All-American lines up at tight end, but is also capable of spreading out to the wide receiver position. That's a big part of the reason why Cincinnati made the Bishop Dwenger grad the 21st overall pick in last month's NFL draft, and why on day one of Bengals rookie camp, most eyes were on number 85.
Day one already moved me around a lot, and it was good. I think I picked it up better than I thought I would have. Being out there, though, I was more relaxed than I've been. Yeah, just getting back out on the field and running around. I was a little nervous, didn't really know what to expect, but once you get out there and run around, it's all good.
While Eifert's only concerns right now may be developing chemistry with the quarterbacks, his former high school and college teammate John Goodman has a much more uphill battle to make the Bengals roster, but it's off to a good start.
I feel really good about it. I feel like I did everything right. There was only a couple mistakes, a couple times where I was just a little slow to the ball, but that comes with practice. Obviously, when you're getting into the practice mode, and with an NFL team, it's a lot different than practicing with Coach Kelly. So, just trying to get the hang of it. It's really cool, it's just nice to be able to play with him, and we got camaraderie, and I just wish I was throwing to him still. Back in the day, I was the quarterback. So
to have not just a teammate but a friend here. Not everyone, I don't think anyone else has that. And so it's just been nice making sure we're on time and where we need to be.
Eifert and Goodman are actually rooming with one another during rookie camp, something that dates back to the national championship game against Alabama in January. Both players had their own individual rooms, but Eifert was so concerned about oversleeping, he moved into Goodman's room to ensure that wouldn't happen. So if nothing else, you can bet the Dwenger pair will be prompt for the next few days. Reporting in Cincinnati, Joe Whalen, News Channel 15 Sports.
And it'll still be a while before Eifert and Goodman see some game action. The Bengals' first preseason game, August 8th, against the Falcons.